Welcome to our roundup of the best window cleaner spray options. Whether you're dealing with stubborn fingerprints, dusty glass, or streaky mirrors, having the right cleaner can make a huge difference in achieving that crystal clear finish. We've carefully selected top-performing glass cleaners that combine powerful formulas, ease of use, and reliable results. In this video, we'll break down what makes each product stand out, from streak-free performance and cleaning strength to versatility and value. These picks are designed to help you keep your windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces spotless with minimal effort. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect window cleaner spray for you. The first on the list is the Windex Vinegar Glass and Surface Cleaner Spray Bottle. This cleaner is a favorite for those who want a more natural yet effective cleaning solution. Featuring ammonia-free formula, streak-free shine, and multi-surface cleaning, it delivers impressive results without the harsh smell often associated with traditional cleaners. The vinegar-based formula cuts through grease, grime, and fingerprints effortlessly, leaving glass surfaces looking spotless and clear. It works especially well on windows, mirrors, and even kitchen surfaces, making it a versatile addition to your cleaning routine. What makes this cleaner stand out is its ability to provide a powerful clean while remaining gentle on surfaces. Unlike ammonia-based cleaners, it produces a more pleasant scent, which is ideal for indoor use. It is also safe for use on a variety of surfaces, including glass, chrome, and countertops, giving you more flexibility with a single product. The spray bottle design ensures even distribution, allowing you to cover large areas quickly and efficiently. In everyday use, this cleaner performs consistently well. It removes smudges and light dirt in just a few wipes, reducing the need for repeated cleaning. It is particularly useful for households that prioritize eco-friendly or less harsh cleaning solutions. However, it may require a bit more effort on heavily soiled surfaces compared to stronger chemical cleaners. Overall, this is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, gentle, and versatile window cleaner that delivers consistent streak-free results while maintaining a more natural approach. Next up is the Unger Professional Streak-Free Easy Glide Glass Cleaner. Designed with commercial cleaning in mind, this product brings commercial-grade performance into your home. It highlights professional strength formula, streak-free finish, and concentrated solution, making it a powerful option for serious cleaning tasks. This cleaner is engineered to deliver spotless glass surfaces without leaving behind residue, making it ideal for large windows, storefront glass, or even car windows. One of the key advantages of this cleaner is its concentrated formula. This means you can dilute it according to your needs, making it both cost-effective and long-lasting. A small amount goes a long way, allowing you to clean multiple surfaces without constantly repurchasing. The Easy Glide technology ensures smooth application, helping your cloth or squeegee move effortlessly across the glass surface for a polished finish. In terms of performance, this cleaner excels at removing tough grime, dirt, and water spots. It works quickly and efficiently, reducing cleaning time significantly. It is particularly beneficial for those who want professional-level results at home without hiring a service. However, because it is concentrated, it requires proper mixing, which might not be as convenient as ready-to-use sprays. Despite this minor drawback, the cleaning power and efficiency it offers are hard to beat. Overall, it is a fantastic option for users who want a high-performance, cost-effective solution that delivers professional-quality, streak-free results every time. Next, we have the Amazon Basics Glass Cleaner. This product is all about simplicity, affordability, and dependable performance. With budget-friendly price, streak-free cleaning, and ready-to-use spray, it offers great value without compromising on effectiveness. It is designed to handle everyday cleaning tasks, making it a practical choice for households looking for a reliable and affordable option. This cleaner works well on a variety of glass surfaces, including windows, mirrors, and glass tables. Overall, this is a solid choice for anyone who wants an affordable, no-frills glass cleaner that delivers dependable, streak-free results for everyday cleaning tasks. Next, the Invisible Glass 9164-2PK Glass Cleaner Spray stands out as a premium solution for achieving truly spotless glass. Known for its high performance, it features residue-free formula, deep cleaning power, and tint-safe solution, making it a favorite among car owners and home users alike. This cleaner is specifically designed to eliminate streaks, haze, and residue, leaving behind nothing but perfectly clear glass. One of its strongest advantages is its residue-free formula. Unlike many cleaners that leave behind a film, this product ensures a completely clean finish, which is especially important for car windshields and mirrors. It also works exceptionally well on tinted windows, making it a safe and versatile option for automotive use. In terms of performance, this cleaner excels at tackling tough grime, grease, and smoke film. It penetrates deep into dirt layers, breaking them down quickly for easy removal. This makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, including windows, mirrors, and even glass tabletops. The spray design allows for precise application, reducing waste and ensuring effective coverage. Another notable benefit is its professional-grade quality. It delivers results that are comparable to what you would expect from a professional cleaning service. Overall, this is a perfect choice for users who demand top-tier clarity and a flawless, streak-free finish on all their glass surfaces. The last one on our list is the Windex Glass and Window Cleaner Spray Bottle. This is one of the most recognized and trusted names in glass cleaning, offering consistent performance and ease of use. With powerful cleaning formula, streak-free shine, and fast-acting spray, it remains a go-to choice for millions of users. It is designed to quickly cut through dirt, grease, and fingerprints, delivering sparkling clean results in seconds. What makes this cleaner so popular is its reliability. It works effectively on a wide range of surfaces, including windows, mirrors, glass tables, and even appliances. The formula is strong enough to handle tough messes while still being safe for everyday use. The fast-acting spray ensures that dirt is broken down quickly, reducing the need for excessive scrubbing. In practical use, this cleaner is incredibly convenient. The spray bottle is easy to handle and the formula spreads evenly across surfaces for efficient cleaning. It is particularly useful for quick touch-ups, allowing you to maintain clean glass surfaces with minimal effort. While it may not have the specialized features of some premium cleaners, its overall performance and consistency make it a reliable choice for most households. It strikes a perfect balance between power, convenience, and affordability. So that's it for the best window cleaner sprays available right now. Each of these options offers something unique, whether it's natural ingredients, professional-grade performance, affordability, or premium clarity. If this video helped you find the right cleaner, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your view crystal clear.